Bienvenidos! Today I'm going down to an area of Medellin called Centro. And hopefully I don't get kidnapped and murdered and stabbed, because that's what everyone tells me is gonna happen. Let's destroy some of these myths. I'm gonna meet Seal and we're gonna go find a Shakira shirt. Here we go. Alright, we're here at San Antonio, and this is the station you need to come to if you want to go to Centro. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think Medellin is dangerous? Is El Centro a dangerous place to be for a tourist, or only if you're walking around with a camera in your hand blabbing like a fool? Let me know. Look who's here, everybody.
It's your boy.
It's your boy Seal.
Skinny Penis.
Totally inconspicuous too. We're not going to draw any attention to ourselves with this guy around.
No, I decided as long as I have a skateboard with me, I'm a local. You know? What tourist skates?
Let's do this. Let's go find your Shakira shirt.
Shakira Shirt, let's get it.
Have you been working on our theme song at all?
GoPro bros for life.
GoPro bros, GoPro bros, GoPro bros for life. What about gringos with GoPros?
Gringos with that. That's like a step up, dude.
Gringos with GoPros.
We post the most ignorant shit, like the most unethical travel we can.
We don't tip, no propine aperitif.
Here we are.
Right off the train, this place is happening. Take a look at what we've got here in Centro. We got guys selling obviously very real hats.
Very tough looking dog.
Tough looking dogs.
It's actually a dog trained to pickpocket people and keeps sniffing everyone's pockets. Either a drug dog or a pickpocket dog.
Well, it looks like there's a lot of stuff to buy. We got totally real running shoes.
This is the shoe complex.
Yeah.
La mayoría. I need me a thickie. Para que ella le diga el número. Cualquiera lo puede prestar, ojalá lo presten varios. Porque si me lo presta la moneda nada más.
What's going on over here, huh?
Diga, ese viene con él. Ese es amigo. Ese es el payaso. ¿Lista? Lista.
Alright, this is Parque Berrio, and it's very famous for these fat people, these fat statues. That's the only way I know how to describe it, but they're really cool. Check it out. This area doesn't feel really sketchy at all. If you're a tourist and you want to come down here and check out the statues, don't worry about it, it's fine.
The vibes are great. The morale is high.
The morale is high.
I only F with high morale.
Oh, I like this one. Hey, if you guys can tell me anything more about these statues in the comments, I didn't do any research, so I'd appreciate it. Who made them? What are they all about? Okay, we're underneath another one of the metro stations, and you can see it's super busy down here, man. It's really busy.
¿Van a almorzar?
No hombre. Gracias. No tengo hambre. Is it tengo hambre? No tengo hambre? I'm not hungry. Oh, you too. No, no gracias. So everybody wants you to eat their comida. ¿Comida?
Sí, comida.
Oh, no tengo.
No tengo hambre.
No necesito.
Ah.
Oh. So we were just saying, man, Colombians, they're lovely people, but they dress like a lot of them dress like they're straight out of the hood, right?
It's a little intimidating.
It's a little bit intimidating.
I don't think it's in a dangerous place, but like if you're comparing here in Mexico, like Mexico, the people kind of dress more casual.
Yeah.
And here it's like, yeah. Really,
Yeah, man. They dress
real intimidating.
Colombian fashion sense.
They're hard, you know. They want to be hard. Hard ass motherfucker. Like that Jesus stuff. And it's ahí. Dude, I spoke so soon. Hey, you, my friend.
We found a really interesting market here in Centro. It looks like they're selling lots of crafts and whatever these would be, patches?
You make t-shirts out of them. Like, look, they have a bunch of t-shirts, and you just like whatever you want on a t-shirt, you can make it out of them. Where's Shakira?
Yeah, you could probably find Shakira here.
Shakira,
Batman. I found Batman. See. So now they're just pulling Shakira off the internet and they're gonna make a t-shirt out of it. That's service, that's quality service. You come to Colombia, you can get anything.
¿Qué crees es mejor? I'll try this one.
Me gusta Shakira. Check this out, it looks like we have laser printers. You can get a Joker made up, a Joker blanket. So cool. You can see behind me this textile building just keeps going up and up and up. I'm on the 3rd floor and there's many more, it looks like.
Mission accomplished. Custom made Shakira shirt. I couldn't be more stoked. I set out with a goal today and I achieve it. Always feels good. Oh, look at this guy.
Never say you can't do whatever you set your heart to.
Coca-Cola bien fría, Shamil, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola bien fría, Shamil, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, Shamil en el punto del congelamiento. Coca-Cola, Shamil bien frías. Coca-Cola, Shamil bien heladas.
Cool. All right, so what's your review so after our trip, finding your Shakira shirt of Centro, Seal?
I think like what we were saying earlier, it's like a lot of people in Colombia, they dress pretty hood, so it could be pretty intimidating, but deep down they're nice people, you know? But some places you don't want to get caught in the wrong place at the wrong time. But for the most part in Centro, you're fine.
I think around the metro stations, it's totally cool. If you go a few blocks off the metro stations, it's a little bit like, just like because people like look kind of hood.
It's not that they're hood, it's they have character.
Yeah, they have character, so it's a little bit intimidating, but the more time you spend here, the more used to it you get. Yeah. I don't feel sketchy walking around with my GoPro here, though.
I've been vlogging the whole time.
Yeah.
I've just been blowing it.
Exactly. It's fun, though. Good times.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, buddy.
I got stoked. I was fired up.
All right, guys, I hope this gives you a little bit of a taste of what Centro looks like. And I've only explored a tiny percentage of it, but we got the Shakira shirt.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
I'm kind of jealous, man. Look at that. Here's my